I'm probably going to repeat this, but I think I'm only got about 2 minutes left on this, so there's one or two couldn't make it, so I'm just going to say it for their benefit. I'll say it again after that. So basically the crack is, the stuff about importing in Maple there, you don't need it. It's actually way easier. You can literally copy and paste the data. Now, if you the Excel open, you've got the raw data sets, and then kind of how the data sets appear, say in an exam question. Now, they can't handle this data, but they can handle this, the raw data. So, for example, the one on heights, if you have your Maple, you can just do something like this. So you just copy or select all your data, Control C or however you want to copy, go into Maple, and you can do something like data1 defined equal to, and then just paste what you have. Now it fell out of it there on me. Oh, there we go. Then press enter. And you get a kind of an output, and basically it's saying is that it's stored the data in a way that Maple can use it. So there's all the data that came in. Data 1 or whatever you want. I'll come around, I'm just getting it for the camera first, I'll slow down after that. Now, there's different things you can do with this then, and most of what's explained after the importing in the Lab 4 is absolutely fine. So you can load in with statistics, and for example produce a histogram of data 1, and it spits you out a histogram. And then you can do different things like say, oh, I only want 7 bins. There's a few options in the thing. So say bin count equals 6, it'll give you a histogram with 6 bins. Now the only thing I would say is on the left here, it's not giving you the frequencies but percentages of the data. Okay. Now I'm happy enough to slow down again. Now what I want you to do is probably just to get a feel. So do this with the heights. Copy and paste the data. Then you'll see different things you can do with the data. If you go into, say I wrote the width statistics here with a colon. Without the colon, it gives me all the things that it can do. So all these different things. So for example,